Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, everyone. I'm glad to see you back. If you're new, welcome. Hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to unbox some Nike shoes. And as you can see on the box here, it's a really special box. As you see, Be True and the Nike logo in colors. It's the Nike Cortez Be True. So the box is pretty special. Really cool box, not the usual kind of box. So let's get it open. Wow, there's a lot of color going on inside too. As you see, it's the blue and pink and green and yellow. And then the normal paper. Let's get it open. And off to the box view. this looks beautiful. Let's get them out in the open. Full of paper. Let's get that off to the side. There we go. So, yeah, something special today, I gotta say. It's a lot going on here. It's pink laces hair, it's blue hair, and as you see, you got this metal thing going on, hanging on the side in colors. We got the colors around the bottom here. We also got the Nike logo, big Nike logos in different colors. The fabric is kind of shiny and smooth. It's just like silk or something. Beautiful, a really beautiful shoes. I really like the details here and the color wave and stuff on them. You see it's the different colors. It's green Nike logo on the back side here, and it's red on the other side. So yeah, kind of cool actually. Even the inside there, you get some colors. I don't know if you see that, but in the video just before this you saw it. In the clip, I mean. So yeah, really beautiful. Can't wait to wear them. They are really beautiful. A nice summer shoe. The summer is here now, so we need some summer shoes. This will be perfect. So let's try them out.